Suddenly I am in front of the lights. Everything I'm feeling scary and beautiful at the same time. And every day I try just to breathe. I wanna show